Okay, pick up the receiver. Do you hear that noise?
No. Not in here? No. No.
Yes, it's there.
Where?
Okay, now dial 559.
How?
What?
How?
That's a 1. See the numbers on the... Wait. We gotta hang up.
You hanged up.
5.
How do you...
Mary?
Hello?
Can you come here and help the kids?
What?
They're trying to figure something out.
There's no snakes.
As long as I don't have to touch a damn snake.
Come here. Can you show them how to dial 559?
5? How do you do this?
9.
You gotta do 9. All the way around. You gotta let
7.
it go. Roll it and let it go. 7. 7.
Wait, we gotta start over.
Are you down? Will it work?
Yes. 559.
It's doing...
9.
9.
Watch Member do it. And then let go. 7.
Do 7. Okay, now do 0 all the way.
0.
Okay, let go.
3. 9.
I'm scared.
Now you should hear it ringing.
Is it ringing? Yeah.
Call from 315.
Hello?
Hi.
Did you call me?
Yes.
I'm calling you back from the 80s. How are
Okay.
you, Papa?
Huh?
Hang up and I'll call you. Okay, put it down.
What was that?
Don't
Wait.
pick it up.
Put it down.
No.
Put it down so you can call you. That's what was ringing
I want to pick it
earlier?
up after, okay? I'm picking it up. But you already... Can I have a turn?
That's what I heard, was that phone ringing.
I'll pick it up. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm in the 80s.
Or the
Let's
90s.
go. Come on.
Even the 70s.
Let me do it. Hello?
Put your
Hello?
order in for ice cream.
After we're done, we're going to get ice cream.
Yeah, we're gonna get some ice cream, okay?
Okay.
That's ice cream man, you gotta tell them what you want.
What kind of ice cream do you want, sir?
I want chocolate ice cream.
You want chocolate?
Chocolate.
I want to say, I want root beer shake.
Okay.
Love ya.
Bye-bye.
Hang it up.
Do it again.
Just
Do it
entered
again. Do it again.
2014.
Do it again.